Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save and find your favorite videos on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up TikTok, and if you're scrolling through TikTok and you find a video that you like, all you have to do is click on this bookmark symbol on the right hand side and it should say added to favorites. So all you have to do is click on your profile on the bottom right hand side, and again you should see this little bookmark symbol, so you can just click on there and you should see this video saved to your favorites. You can also go on this video, and then once you click on the bookmark symbol it gives you the option to manage, so you can enter in a collection name. You can also have the option to make it public, so obviously you can add lots of different videos to this collection. And then all you have to do is select save. So once you go back into your profile, it should be saved under your collections as well. So that's how you can find your favorite videos on TikTok. Thanks for watching.